still creating product photos one by one, even with AI. That's slow. What if you could generate them in bulk, instantly? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT and Google Flow to automate stunning product photography for all your products. Okay, to create your product photography in bulk, the first thing you must do is to make sure that a Google Flow extension, which is called Turbo Flow, is added to your Chrome browser. So let's go to Chrome Web Store. This is Chrome Web Store to confirm if I've added the Turbo Flow extension. Okay, I will search for Turbo Flow, and you can see this is Turbo Flow Auto VEO and Nano Banana Pro. You click on this, it comes to this interface. You can see here, say remove from Chrome. It is because I've added it, and that's why you can see remove from Chrome. And if you've not added it to your Chrome browser, it will show add to Chrome. So I have added it now, and I'm good to go. So the next thing is to go to Google Flow AI. Click on Google Flow AI and click on Flow here. We are going to be accessing Google Flow. It brings to this interface, create with Flow. You must have registered with your Gmail. Then we have new project. You click on new project. But if I want to create it in bulk, I will click on this extension. I will click on Turbo Flow. You can see I have to re-sign in again to confirm my email address. Okay, I'm on Turbo Flow extension. So you can see here now, it's a 30 out of 30 prompts remaining today. So I have opportunity to use 30 prompts. So the next thing we're going to do is to generate prompt for the product. I want to create, the prompt I want to use to create product photography. And one of the best way you can do is that you can either use your imagination to suggest to ChatGPT, or you upload, like I did. I decided to upload my product. Okay, I said I uploaded these 3 products: a blue diamond ring, a perfume, and a red wristwatch. I said suggest 2 product photography prompts for each of the attached products, including the diamond ring, perfume, and the red wristwatch for a unique and stunning product photography. Okay, and it now gave me all these 2 prompts for the diamond ring, 2 prompts for perfume bottle, and 2 prompts for the wristwatch, for the wristwatch. So what I did, the next thing I did was to copy all these prompts and align it in this way, because any subtopic, any topic will be regarded as paragraph. So these are the prompts. I copy all these prompts here. I copy there. Then come down to the automation panel, Turbo Flow. You click on Control. This is Control. Then come down here. Then the model you are using is Nano Banana. Okay. We have image per prompt, 1 image per prompt. You can choose 2 images if you want. Then this is the prompt. Before I come to add references, so let me add the prompt first. The prompts we had, you can see it here now. You can see the word says 6 prompts. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add the products. You come to reference images. You click on reference images. So I have a reference here already. I will need to upload. Okay, I have 3 products now. The first one is blue diamond ring. I will attach it here. Okay, I'll just click on this product, on the product I want, among all the images there, and I click on done. See, the products are attached already. The products are attached. If you want to change anyone, you can cancel and change. So I have the prompt, I have the product. Now you come to settings, auto download images. It will automatically download the images. You want to upscale it 2K upscale, you can upscale it 2K upscale. Auto download video, we're not delivering video. File naming 001, 002, which one you want to name the file. All the settings are ready now. The next thing is to do what? Is to come here and click on start batch, okay, or submit, and you see how it will automatically. So I have done that. I have clicked submit and it will automatically generate the images. I mean, using two prompts for each product, to create. You can see it now. You can see this is it. This is it. You can see the product photography here. You can see how stony it is. This is powerful. This is nice. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is a stony product photography. Okay, let us see. You can come to this place and download. Okay, you can see it automatically downloaded everything. Yes, based on the 6 prompts. I mean, 2 prompts for each product. You can see how stony it is. You can see how powerful it is. You can see now. You can see this is a diamond ring. No, you can see the diamond ring here. You can see this is the perfume. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh wow. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, this is powerful. Wow, this is good. This is good. This is nice. Okay, this is how to create a stony product photography. This is just too much. So this is how you can automate using TurboFlow, which is the extension for Google Flow, to automate the creation of your product photography in bulk. If you have several products in your shops, thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. I want you to subscribe to my channel and also like. Be the best.